Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Bronwyn and I am going to show you today how to do a DIY at home eyebrow lamination or brow lift. Now, I was really skeptical to film this for a while because I was using professional grade only product, but I recently found one on Amazon that anyone can get their hands on by BIibiibeauty that has the essentials that you need with a gentle formula that's great for this. So with clean brows, taking step number 1, which is the perming solution. Yes, this is a perm for your eyebrows. You're going to take a skincare spatula, I hope you have one, and removing the product, apply it directly onto the spatula, then press it into your eyebrow hairs. You want to make sure that you fully saturate every single hair, or else some will not be permed in the direction that you want them to go in. So you might want to use the entire solution provided in the packet for this step. Taking a spoolie brush, you're going to gently comb the solution throughout the hairs in the direction that you want your hairs to be permed into. Be careful not to be too rough on your skin, as this solution can sensitize the skin and you don't want to accidentally cause too much irritation. Once that's done, take a saran wrap and cover your eyebrows so the solution does not dry out, and you're going to press it and carefully make sure that you don't move the hairs out of place that you want them to stay in. Once that's done, you're going to leave this solution on your eyebrows for 3 to 7 minutes. The time frame depends on how thick and how coarse your eyebrows hair naturally are. Mine are thin and I can easily overdevelop my eyebrows, which I slightly did in this one because I lost track of time and accidentally left it on for 8 minutes. So I did get some breakage and some shedding. So make sure that you watch carefully and time your eyebrows. Taking tissue, remove all the solution. Do not get your eyebrows wet. Then move in with step 2, the setting cream. This is going to set and lock the hairs into place. Do the same steps, press completely into the eyebrows to saturate and comb through. I applied more setting solution because I did over process my eyebrows slightly in this video, so I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes in this one, or same rule, 3 to 7 minute time frame. For this solution, once you're done, you're going to wash it off with soap and water to make sure you completely got all perm solution removed from your eyebrows. Once that's done, you're going to comb through and see if you like the result. Taking eyebrow scissors, you're going to go in and comb and trim off any stray hairs to get the desired shape that you want. Of course, you don't have to do this step. This is the optional part, but for me, I like to make sure that I don't have too many strayaways. Going in with an eyebrow razor, I'm just going to clean up any baby hairs around the edges so I have a nice, smooth, clean look to my brows. Going in with step number 3, this is the aftercare solution, which, to be honest, I found it's not really the best, but I apply it anyway. But I also like to go in for the remainder of the week or however long I want with a nice oil to soothe and nourish my brow hairs, as they are a little bit damaged after this. And you're just going to leave this on for the rest of the day to soothe and nourish your eyebrow hairs after being permed. And that's it, you guys. Doing your own eyebrow lamination is super easy. You just really have to be careful not to accidentally over process your eyebrows like I did in this video. It's an accident that can happen if you're not keeping track of the time, so I do recommend that you leave a timer on. Make sure you buy reputable products. You don't want to buy something off of Amazon that has bad ingredients that is going to damage your skin or hurt your skin in any way. So I definitely recommend the one that I used in this video. It's strong, so definitely watch the timing. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. Thumbs up, share it with your girlfriends, whoever loves brow lamination, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!